This is FIMI Mini 3, and today I'll show how you can clear the gallery, or to put it in other words, erase all your recordings, photos and videos on this drone. So in the beginning you will need to open the camera view of the FIMI Mini app. Here look below shutter button and press or click at the gallery icon. Now select whether you would like to erase or clear your SD card or local storage, or both. Just do them separately, like one by one. Now look at the top right corner and tap on this icon. Then, well, make sure to select all of your recordings by pressing at the tick button. Once everything is selected, press delete, then confirm, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.